Hello everybody, hola and welcome to another kasiloose video, and today we have the sort of a highlights for keys, and yes it is, look at that, that is beautiful. So we're going to start with the 70s van Space Jam, a new legacy. I've heard the movie is yep, you guys can comment on the movie itself down below, but we've got the 70s van. Look at that, that is beautiful. Kasiloose. So there you go, Space Jam 70s van. Look at that, blue tinted windows, nice. Look at that, different art on each side, beautiful. This is an old casting, look at that, 1974, and they have done a retool on 2013. 70s van, yep. Space Jam, a very divisive movie, I heard. Beautiful, look at that, different art on each side of the van. Nice. Space Jam. Moving on, the Turtoshell, a recolor. Look at that, that is crazy. Chrome. Kasiloose. There you go, chrome shell, red. This is the wild version of the Turtoshell compared to this one. Mild, wild, mild, wild. Look at that, crazy. Yep. Subdued, relaxing, go nuts. That's the Turtoshell. There you go, the Turtoshell. Yup. Moving on, I think this one, just to clear everything up, this is a recolor. Yes it is. Sorry for my rant on this casting. This is a recolor. Yep, but still maintaining the color of the green and the black. Kasiloose. There you go, the rally Baja crawler. And let me show you the first color, this one. You know why I'm getting it confused, but since I've been looking it carefully, yup, it is so obvious that it is a recolor. You can see that from the windscreen. So obvious it's a recolor. It's okay, everybody's made a mistake. It looks cool actually. Yes it is. Look at that. And just compare it with the previous version. Look at that. That is cool. Even the tires are different also. Interesting. Yup. I'm curious on these tires actually. Look at that. I'm not so sure if we have seen this type of tires before. You guys can comment on that, of course. So there you go, the Rally Baja crawler. Next is for this one, the 49 Ford F1. This if you got a rear rider, spectral flame. You've got yourself a super, but obviously this is the regular one, which is awesome actually. Look at the color there. Kasiloose. There you go. Look at that. Purple with a sort of like a cream colored on the interior and on the truck bed there. Crazy looking pinstripe. Look at the wheels. That is a cool wheels. Nice. Top on the side. Nothing on the back. That's the 49 Ford F1 pickup truck. That purple is beautiful. Yeah, the metal flake purple. Yep. Awesome. So that's the 49 F1. We're moving it slightly back there. Next, we're going for the recolor of the Nissan R390 GTI, now in red. That is beautiful. Kasiloose. Look at that. Previously in blue, now in red. Beautiful contour there. You got the tail lights and the headlights with a Nissan badge in the front. Clean look. Wow. Look at that. Beautiful. And let's put it right beside the first color, which is blue. They look good together. Look at that. Wow. Nice. Same wheels, just a different body color. That's it. Same interior color. Yep. That's the Nissan R390 GTI. Look at that. Beautiful. And next, now this Ducati Scrambler Hot Wheels Edition, a recolor, and also a different deco there. Look at that. Previously in the moon eyes. Wow. Kasiloose. There you go, Ducati Scrambler. Look at that. Wow. With a military motif there, the shark mouth. For military green, and compare it, you can see the headlights there. Compare it with the moon eyes, which is black. That is cool what Hot Wheels done with this. Different deco, different color, same casting, not a simple, just a simple recolor. We've got a different deco as well. Wow, look at that. Beautiful. Yes it is. So I'm not going to show it on the turntable because obviously it doesn't have a stand there. Yup. Ducati Scrambler. We'll put it there. Nice. Next one, the 67 Oldsmobile 442 in Gulf liveries. This year, I'm not sure if Hot Wheels has done it before. We've got Gulf liveries, moon eyes in a different casting. Yup, Kasiloose. There you go, Oldsmobile's 442 Goodyear Gulf. That is nice. This is an old casting 2010 and has been retooled for 2020, which has been, this is the retooled one. So I'm not sure what's the retooled part here. Is it most probably the base previously in metal, now in plastic? Look at that dark interior. And first Gulf liveries, also with a super tradition, is this one, the Porsche Outlaw. And now we've got the Oldsmobile 442. Different car, same deco there. That is cool what was done with this. Yes it is, look at that. Nice. Awesome. Oldsmobile's 442. Looks good. American car. So is it a first appearance in the mainline? I'm not so sure, but this is the retooled one. You guys can comment down below what you guys think, what you guys know info on this car. Yup. And just for obviously no reason, we put it beside the Gulf Porsche Outlaw. Look at that. They look good together. Yes it is. Nice. Nice. Nice wheels actually. Yup. Yup. Oldsmobile's 442 in Gulf. Just put it a bit there. Next one. Now this one is the regular Treasure Hunt Justice League Batmobile for case, and yes it is kasiloose. There you go, the circle flame logo. Yep. And here is the car. Look at the lines there. That is crazy. Yes it is. And in case you still didn't know, the turret can be moved. You can shot this way slightly hard. See that? Pew 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 pew. Brrr. There's the circle flame logo at the back there. This looks sick. Yep, yes it is. For those who collect the Batmobile, definitely a must-have. Yep. That's the Justice League Batmobile. Crazy lines, and we've come to the three awesome highlights. We're starting with this one, the red color. I really dig the Mercedes-Benz 500e, now in gray, sort of like a matte gray maybe. Look at that. Wow, kasiloose. Look at that. It's a shiny silver or gray. Wow, love how they do the headlights there. Beautiful tail lights. That is awesome. Yes it is. Wow. Nothing on the license plate. Yep. Look at that. Beautiful casting, and looks good together with the first color, the black. Even though it uses the 5 spokes, that is one heck of a casting there. Yes it is. Loving it and loving it. And in case you didn't notice it before, you can see the embossed Mercedes at the back there, embossed Mercedes logo. Wow, that is cool. The red color of the Mercedes-Benz 500e, and we push it a bit back, focus it a bit, and we've come a new casting, the 94 Bugatti EB110 SS. Some of you may like it, some of you not, but it's a Bugatti. Yup, kasiloose. There you go. The blue, very sort of like a bright blue actually, with a dark interior, clear windows, screen and everything. And you can see this is the part of the headlights, the windscreen, and underneath it is the interior part, which is cool. Got the logo Bugatti there, nothing on the front. Clean look, and the tail lights, the EB110 SS. This is crazy looking car actually. Yup. Bugatti EB110 SS. There you go. Those who like Bugattis. Yep, crazy looking. If only they do the front part here. Yep. That's the typical Bugatti. There. Sort of like a Bugatti signature, the front part, the grille there. There you go. The blue Bugatti EB110 SS. And we've come to the last car, or should I say last vehicle, the Toyota Land Cruiser 80 in a grey, charcoal grey maybe. Nice. Kasiloose. There you go. 1552 Hot Wheels ready. On the side there, got the signal lights, headlights with a Toyota. Look at that. That is beautiful. So this part here, the front part here, is part of the base. Nothing on the back, no headlights, just a spare tire. This is part of the base. Look at that. Nothing on the base, so actually with a sunroof. Wow, beautiful. Look at that. That is nice. Yes, it is. Look at that. Wow. Awesome, 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 awesome. There you go. Highlights from case N. What do you guys think? Let's push it a bit up there. Some you may like the content of the case N, some may not. But yeah. There you go. Drop a comment down below what you guys think. You can subscribe, notification bell button, share if you want this one. Don't forget to give a like to this video. Yep. To support this channel, of course. Talk to you later. See you soon. Bye.